When we open a browser, we surf a lot of websites, and generally, what everybody does, they open a browser and type the site again and again. To avoid that, if you are using a website regularly, say day wise, so what you can do, you can use the option bookmarks, and it will be easier for you to open the website, and all the websites can be very nicely organized on the option bar of your browser. So what I am supposing here is, as we are quite online nowadays, surf a lot of websites regularly. Here, my tutorial will guide you to bookmark them, and your browser will be organized than ever. Let's see how it is. Hello, this is the way a browser opens for everybody, but the browser where I am showing you all these have these folders. Check this out. Have these folders so that I can organize the websites which I open regularly. For example, when I'm clicking on info, I have Google, Flipkart, Twitter, Amazon, banking sites, electricity board, etc. Similarly, inside Essential, I have all the needed websites. Inside Connect, I have WhatsApp, Facebook. Inside DPS, I have all the websites I'm using for my schoolwork. And similarly, all these. So, how to create these folders and what is the use of bookmarks? See, I am right clicking on this bar and adding a folder, and I am renaming it as, say, subjects or anything you wish. Save. So the folder subject is visible here. Now what I'll do, I'll just open another tab in the browser and say I will open a site like parivahan.gov.in and press enter. Now the parivahan.gov.in website has opened. Say who is having these vehicles, car, bikes. So you need to do registration work, and so it means that you need to open this site regularly. What I'll do, I'll just go on my right and click on this star and click on add bookmark, and see the name of the site has come. So I can simply write Parivahan for it, and I'll click on this drop down and click on subject, and then done. So now next time onwards, see, if I'm closing this one and opening a tab and I want to open the Parivahan site, so what I'll do, I'll just click on subject and click on Parivahan. So the site Parivahan has opened for me. One more thing I would like to tell you is, say I have opened my mail or say Google, Google, and here is the 9 dots, which is, for computers. In mobile you will find 3 dots. Here it is 9 dots for Google. When I click on it, I get all the associated apps. When you click on the Google sheet here, you get all the Google sheets lined up which you have created or is shared with you. On that note, you can get all the Google Sheet works for yourself. Similarly, if you have any Google Doc shared with you, Google Form shared with you, or you have created, say, Google Form. So the forms which you create or are shared by with you by somebody are also aligned together in this place. So this is the way you can organize your browser. Thank you.